Hello student, welcome in political science class. Student, today we will discuss class 12 subject political science chapter 5th of the first book. Okay student, and today's our topic India Pakistan conflict, and this topic given NCERT book page number 73, 74 and 75. Student, we are going to discuss about the conflict between India and Pakistan after the separation. Some conflict was stand during time of the separation India and Pakistan. Number first point, after the partition, a conflict over the fate of Kashmir. After the separation, Kashmir became big issue between India and Pakistan, and this conflict is continued from separation to today. It not over because Pakistan always try to capture the Kashmir, because Kashmir located very strategic position where Pakistan can watch all parts of India for the target of war. And under the agreement between Kashmir ruler and Indian government, Kashmir is the real part of India, but Pakistan did not accept this agreement between Maharaja Hari Singh and the government of India. Pakistan rejected this agreement, and Pakistan always tried to occupy the Kashmir. Okay, the first point is clear why Kashmir become the zone of conflict. Point number second, in this conflict the war took place in 1947 to 48, and second 1965, third 1971 and fourth 1999. Student, due to the issue of Kashmir, Pakistan and India fought 4 wars. First war 1947 to 48. It was the proxy war between India and Pakistan. At last, Pakistan occupied half of the place of Kashmir, and today that place knows POK. Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Okay, and in second 1965, this war won by the India. In 1971, again India won this war, and in 1999 it was famous as a Kargil war. This time also India won this war. So 3 times Pakistan defeated by India, and 1 time Pakistan was not win this war, but he occupied many places and today knows POK. Okay, point number 3. Both have also had problems over the sharing of river Indus water in 1960 with the World Bank. This problem solved. Student, after the separation, for the Indus water river had raised conflict between India and Pakistan. Pakistan want to big share of the Indus river water because the electricity generation was depend on the water of Indus and other dam for irrigation, canals. These things were depend on the Pakistan only on Indus river. So one agreement had solved this conflict under the watching of World Bank in 1960, and Pakistan and India solved the proper share of water of Indus between 2 nations, and this conflict is over. But according this agreement, India have full right. If Pakistan will not maintain peace, India can break any time the flow of Indus river water toward the Pakistan. Okay, so it is the third reason of conflict between India and Pakistan. Number 4, both are not in agreement over the demarcation time lying in the Sri Circuit in the run of Kutch. It is another conflict region. The proper demarcation between India and Pakistan is not, where in the line of Sar Creek and in the run of Kutch. Both are had created both place, Sar Creek place and run of Kutch in Gujarat area had created and made conflict among India and Pakistan. The boundaries are not clear. Sometime Pakistan had claimed this part is my, and India also claimed this is my part. So run of Kutch and Sar Creek place also become the conflict zone between India and Pakistan. Student, we have knowledge India always respect and want to establish peace between both countries because both had got independence one time, but due to the greed and destroy of the democracy in Pakistan always try to destroy the Indian wealth, Indian property and other things, because since independence Indian growth is better than Pakistan. Indian growth by the people of hard work and the government help, the growth of India in every field is better than Pakistan. In agriculture, in economy, in education, in technology, Indian growth is better than Pakistan. But Pakistan had not cared their development, always tried to destroy the property of India. It is another cause Pakistan hated to India, but India always try and make lot of treaty to maintain peace and erase the conflict between India and Pakistan, like Simla Treaty and many other treaties over there happened between Pakistan and India, but Pakistan always try to destroy the property and diversity of India. Okay student, so I have completed this topic, conflict between India and Pakistan. Okay student, thanks.